Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are analyzing currencies and we'll analyze Nasdaq, I think. But first, let's start with GBPUSD because we didn't analyze GBPUSD this week. So let's see what we have. Alright. So GBPUSD was busy consolidating between these two prices right here, and it did broke out. Let me highlight where it broke out. It broke out from right here. So far, this is the channel that we have. In GBPUSD, and let's work with it. And let me do it like this. So this is the channel that we have, and on this channel we will analyze too and see what we have. So before we see what we have, let's see what we had before. So we had this little resistance right here, and let's check on this little resistance if there was a confirmation for a buy. So we had our touch 1 right there, and our touch 2, and on our touch 3 there was no confirmation. Okay, let's make our touch 3 our touch 2 and do this. So right now we had our touch 1 here, and touch 2 and touch 3. So on touch 3 there was a confirmation, and boom. Alright, so we did have a confirmation. So from our, let me do this, from our resistance to our confirmation, that is the distance that we will use. So from our resistance we had something like this. So I think the GBPUSD is done forming an uptrend. So it is done forming an uptrend. Maybe if it was around here, I was going to enter and use this price at the end of this on this trend line as my take profit, but you see from my resistance it is done forming. So what is happening now, the chart will be bouncing from this channel right here, then going to this channel, but I won't enter with a sell because I don't know if it will be consolidating or going up before it even touches this down channel that is right here. So I will be waiting for this chart to touch this channel on the downside, then after it is done touching this channel on the downside with no confirmation for a sell, then I will be entering with a buy. But for now, this is my setup for GBPUSD, and yes, I'm analyzing on H1. So let me do this. So I'm expecting it to go down, but I don't know. Alright, so it was consolidating right here, had a pullback. So let me leave it like this. So that is what I'm expecting. Let me add let me highlight like this. So I'm expecting it to not to break this this channel that is right here, this channel, this resistance, and this mini support here where the chart was having some pullbacks. So on this price, it won't be breaking this channel that is right here. So right now I have my setup for my GBPUSD, and let me check on M15 if there is a confirmation for a sell, because if there is a confirmation for a sell on M15, then I'll be entering. Let me see, let me use this as my touch 1 and use this candlestick right here as my touch 2. Let me do this. Alright, so it is not clear. It is not clear. On settings, I want it to appear on M15 only, so I'll remove all this. Then yeah. Alright, so on my watch list I do have a GBPUSD. It just has to be the first currency on the list. Let me check. Alright, it is the first currency on the list. So Monday, tomorrow, which is tomorrow, I'll be checking my GBPUSD all day. If there is a confirmation that I'm waiting for, it will be a confirmation where the GBPUSD will be going down up until it touches this channel right here. Then if it touches this channel with no confirmation, then I'll be entering with the buy, and my take profit will be around here. I'm not sure, but I'll see. I'll be entering with the buy, then and wait if it breaks this resistance that I highlighted, that is right here. So right now I'll be waiting. I have my setup for GBPUSD. Let's go on NASDAQ. So on my NASDAQ, oh my god, I missed this. On my NASDAQ, this is what I have. I'll highlight what I have and then continue. So I have this resistance that is right here. So it was consolidating before it was consolidating between these prices, as you can see. Let me zoom in. As you can see, it was consolidating between this price and this price. It was failing to break, and it did break with a sell, and this was my take profits. Let me show you. This was my take profit right here. This right here was my take profit. So it did break. It formed a head, shoulder, left shoulder, and then a right shoulder. Then it continued to go down. So at the moment, what I have, let me highlight where it was consolidating. I mean where it had a pullback, not consolidating. So I can use that as my head and shoulder. I mean my shoulders, and then use this as my head. Use this as my head, and it did break these two prices that were right here. And then from my resistance, I should have my touch 1. Where was my resistance? My resistance was here. And from my resistance, I should have my touch 1. My touch 1, which will be here. And search for my touch 2 up until I have my touch 3, which will give me a confirmation of this trend that is going up that I see. So I want to confirm this uptrend. That is why I'm doing this. All right. I do have touch 2 right here and touch 3. On touch 3, my trend line did cross a candlestick body, and a second candlestick was formed outside. Then I should have entered here with the take profit price that is at my touch 1. So I missed this. I didn't see it at all. let me zoom out. So from that touch 3, it goes up. My stop loss was going to be there. It did go up, and it did touch one, which was going to be my take profit. And another thing that I'm seeing right now is this. This is the thing that I'm seeing right now. So this Nasdaq was trapped between these two channels, 1 and 2. So since it have broke this channel that is right here, mean the resistance, it will break it with the price that have the same distance from here to this shoulder. So I'm still good to enter. I'll be entering with the buy on Monday, and my take profit, I'll use the same price. I mean the same distance price that is right here in between. Let me show you what I mean, guys. So I have to measure this first from here to here. It's either it is like this or it is just horizontally, I mean vertically. Let me take it and put it from my resistance, and then let me just lock it. So my price, let me add the horizontal line. My take profit price is that price that I just added, that is horizontal. This price that is right here is my take profit. So Monday I'll be entering with a buy. If you see this video today, make sure that you enter with a buy Monday. Let me add now my stop loss. So where there was a previous pullback, or where the previous pullback started forming, I'll use that as my stop loss. So let me check the chart. All right, so this is where I have my previous pullback right there. You see the chart did have a pullback here, so I'll place my stop loss there, but let me go down a bit, maybe like, then boom, that will be my stop loss, and my take profit is there at the top. Let me add this. I'll be entering around here, and then I'm expecting the chart to go up, and then my stop loss is right here. Let me lock everything so that I won't lose this setup, or I won't disturb it. So right now everything is locked, and then here is my Nasdaq setup. So I'm expecting it to be going up. Let me see if, all right, from this resistance here, there is a possibility that there will be a pullback, since you see every time the chart is reaching this price right here on the resistance, the chart is going back. It did reach right here, going back here, right here, and right here. So right now it's still going down, but I'm not sure if it will break this channel right here, this mini resistance that is right here. I'm not sure, but if it breaks it, it is not going to touch this price, which is my stop loss, so it is fine. It will be a minor pullback, then it will be going up. So my predictions is that this chart will be going up. I don't know how it will move, because I don't know how the market will move, but I'm predicting the major movement, it will be going up. So let me add this one last thing. Let me lock this first, and then let me add this one last thing. And then yeah, from here I'm expecting it to be going to this price. On how it will move, I'm not sure, but it is going up and I won't blow my account. That is what I know. So this is what I have. This is the setup for Nasdaq that I have. So yeah, I think this is the end of the video. If you need free signals, I'll provide this setup on a free group. Link is down in the description. To use the broker that I'm using to trade, link is down in the description. Make sure you like and subscribe if you are new. Peace.